Guys, so I know I'm in my pajamas, but today I'm going to be doing a slime collection video. I have all my favorite slimes that I'm going to be showing you, and yes. Okay, so I'm going to get you set up. Okay, the first one is this green one. It's very tiny. It is a tissue paper slime. It is kind of sticky. I have more of this slime, but I decided not to take out the whole entire thing because it's just going to take too long because I have a lot of it. And I'm sorry, I'm on my bed with this cap that I'm going to be showing you on. Okay guys, the next slime is going to be another really small slime, but it is a very, very pretty one. I like the color of this one, but this one's going to be even more pretty. It is my glitter slime. It's full of glitter, literally. So I'm going to show you. Let me center that. Okay. So here's how it looks. It's really pretty. It's really pretty red. I love this slime, and I give credit to Becky for making this slime for me. If you guys don't know who Becky is, but she's my friend, so yes. Thank you, Becky. It is one of my favorite slimes ever. Okay, guys, my next one is going to be another, not really small, but it is pretty small still. But it is a Daiso clay slime. So let's do this. Maybe a little too much zoomed in. Sorry, guys. Okay, so it's red. Stretchy. It smells like Starburst kind of, and it looks like Starburst, but I promise I did not make this with Starburst. Like, this is such a great slime. It spreads and everything. It wasn't the perfect swirl, but it spreads. It's really pretty. And I give credit to Andrea for making me this slime. I love it. It doesn't really poke because it's butter slime, so yeah. Alright guys, so the next slime is also going to be in the same exact container, but it is a green glitter fluffy slime. It is literally has the amazing texture I've ever felt in my whole entire life. Like, it is so good. I love this slime. Okay. So here's how it looks. Doesn't feel like normal. Doesn't feel like normal fluffy slime. That's the only thing I love about it. Too close. Okay. So I don't know why it's doing that noise, but it needs to stop. It's really glossy and like it is so pretty. I put a lot of glitter on this one. I put a really dark blue in it, a light green in it, and I made the color green. So yeah, guys, this is it. Okay, I'm not gonna put my camera up anymore, but this is the next one. It is a white slime. It is a little sticky, but it is an amazing slime. Ready? This is amazing. Guys, I love all my slimes, so that's why I always call them amazing. But this slime is a little sticky, as you can see. So I'm not really touching it that much. And it's a pure white slime, nothing in it. I need to add a little bit more of my activator to this one, but like, it's amazing. Okay, yes, so this is the white slime. Okay, now we're going on to my bigger slimes. Okay, so the first one is really sticky. It is a pink lemonade slime. It's not like that sticky, but like when you see, like when you try to stretch it, it's really sticky and gets all over your hands. But like, it's really clear. And I was playing with it yesterday, so that's why it's not that clear, but I'll stretch it for you guys so you see it's clear. See. So just admire this slime. So good. Okay. I know it's in a big container, but that's the only container I can find. Next one is this one. It's an ugly color, but it's such an amazing texture. I give credits to Shaylin, the owner, the maker of the slime, and y'all. So it's really good. It's like a grayish, bluish kind of color, but it has a lot of like violet kind of color glitter in it. See, and it has really big foam beads in it. I'll show you guys. They are green and they're wearing out, but like they're so amazing and slime. I definitely recommend you guys getting it. Yeah, I don't know where she got them though. I'll ask her. But okay guys, my next one is this Cloud Cream. This is one of my first cloud slimes ever. That's why it is my first cloud slime, I think. It has a little bit too much snow in it, but it is such a good cloud cream texture to it. So good. It doesn't even poke. It's a little too hard, but you know, for your first cloud cream slime, it's pretty good. Okay. I might have to get a part 2 of this. So the next one is another Dyson Clay slime. It's really huge. And if you have Musical.ly, you know that I'm giving this away, so go check it out, my Musical.ly. I'm giving some of this away because it's really big, and it is an amazing slime. I love it. It's my favorite clay slime ever. Even better than this one. Like, it's so spreadable. It's so soft. I love it so much. And it kind of pokes. But it's like so stretchy. So good. I love it. And it's so stretchy this way too. I could make a perfect swirl with it. Let me try to do that really fast. So that... Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, yeah. So, the next slime is a blue clear slime. And if you don't believe me that it's clear, do you want to see it? I bet you do. Haha, it is clear. Guys, if I'm talking a little bit too low, it's because my brother is still sleeping. So, yes. And he lives right next to me. Or his room is right next to me. But this is it. Okay, my next bunch of slime needs to go fast. Because we're almost losing time. I might need a part 2 of this. Okay, so the next slime is this fidget spinner cream slime. Fidget spinner cream cheese slime. It has fidget spinners in it. And I give credit to Andrea for making this for me. Andrea gave me a lot of slime and I'm really thankful. Thank you, Andrea. Okay, that was that one. The next one is this glossy slime. I'm sorry if I'm moving a little bit too fast, but it's really glossy, as you can see. It has an amazing texture. So good. Okay, my last 2 slimes are really good too. Sorry, technical difficulties. Got some slime on my comforter, but oh well. This is my next one. It's my Lucky Charm cereal slime. I meant my Fruit Loop slime. This one's a little sticky, so I'm not going to take it out, but yeah. Okay. My last one is a huge, huge slime. Doesn't even fit in this container. It is a huge peachy slime. It's really glossy too, as you can see. And it's kind of jiggly, because I use a saline solution for this one. It's huge. I love it. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to see when my next video is. Love you guys. Love you. Bye.